Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into one of the most fascinating topics out there, controlling your own mind. If you've ever felt like your thoughts run wild or your emotions get the better of you, this is for you. Now let's talk about mindfulness. Mindfulness isn't just a buzzword, it's a tool. By practicing mindfulness, I've learned to observe my thoughts without getting swept away by them. It's like watching cars pass by on a highway. You notice them, but you don't run out into traffic to chase them. Next up, goal visualization. I challenge you to spend a few minutes each day visualizing your goals as if you've already achieved them. This isn't just daydreaming, it's about creating a clear mental image that guides your subconscious. It's powerful because what you focus on expands. And here's a big one, meditation. I know you've heard it before, but hear me out. Meditation has scientifically been shown to rewire your brain and help you control your thought processes. Just 5 minutes a day can start making a significant difference. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain's chaos. Lastly, let's not forget about the words we use. The dialogue you have with yourself is critical. Start replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Instead of saying, "I can't," start saying, "I will." It's not just about being optimistic. It's about setting a tone for how you approach challenges. Remember, the journey to mastering your mind is ongoing. It's not about perfection, it's about progression. Keep pushing, keep learning, and keep evolving. Control your mind and unlock the boundless potential that lies within you. Thanks for watching, and let's keep improving together.